We would like to round off this program by offering a few practical tips. The biggest enemy of lubrication is dust and dirt, which unfortunately is all around us, especially on or near construction sites. Lubricants tend to attract dust, which sticks easily to grease gun connectors and oil pump spouts, and of course to any component that happens to be greasy or oily. A common habit of servicemen is to leave containers open and lying around, thus allowing dust and even rainwater into the lubricant or the container. Our main tip is this: to prevent possible problems, always close up a container as soon as you have completed using it. Wipe clean all nozzles before you use the apparatus or before storing. Take the time and make an effort to keep your lubrication equipment clean. It will pay dividends in the long run. In the following program, you will be shown typical procedures for performing lubrication tasks using much of the equipment presented in this program.